Fast Fix Flex Meniscal Repair System. Reach more, repair more. Posterior vertical tear repair using Fast Fix Flex Curved. Push the depth penetration lever forward to shroud the needle. Or use a cannula. Introduce Fast Fix Flex into the joint using a standard anterior portal. After reaching desired location, pull back the depth penetration lever to retract the shroud and expose the needle. Penetrate the meniscal tissue on first pass anteriorly. Push the deployment slider forward to a hard stop, which is confirmed through touch, sound, and sight. Complete the repair by deploying the second implant in the same manner. Fast Fix Flex empowers surgeons to reach more and repair more meniscal tears.